Okay, so this is an IBM Blue Label. It is a model KB8923 from I believe 1996. Um, this is a full size keyboard. It is membrane and it is fully functional. As you can see, caps lock, number lock, scroll lock, and everything. It works. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and type on this. I am going to let you know that this is a full stock keyboard. The only thing I did to it was lube the stabilizers with some Permatex dielectric grease. So it is fully functional, and I also lubed the main keys, the QWERTY, and all the main keys as well within the guide where the buttons would be clipped in. So it's also going to sound smoother and much more silent, and it won't sound as clicky. So here it is, a small typing sound test, refurbished, relubed, everything of the KB8923 IBM Blue Label full-size keyboard. Enjoy. Alright, about one more. And that is the sound test of the KB8923 Blue Label IBM keyboard membrane. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed refurbishing this keyboard, and me being a proud owner of an IBM. Um, to be honest, I've used this keyboard for about a whole month already, and it's been really a pleasure using this thing. I've been doing most of my typing training on this, And to be honest, I started from 20, 30 words a minute, and now I'm hitting like 70, 80 words a minute. And I'm soon going to be receiving my RK61 Bluetooth / wired mechanical keyboard. And I'm waiting for my iron as well, my soldering iron and the desoldering pump. I already have solder here. This has rosin core in it. So I will be desoldering the old switches that the RK61 has, and I will be going to replace them with these Gatoron red switches that I had previously already lubed up. I've lubed these, I believe, like yesterday, and they are fully functional. Let me pop a key here so you can take a listen. These switches are linear, and so they are pretty silent, and they are Gatoron, so they are branded switches. So I will be doing a sound test on that of the before and afters, because I did order the RK61 backlit version, but with blue switches. So with that being said, I will also be putting on these SA PBT keycaps that I have here on this display keyboard or project keyboard. These keycaps are SA profile. As you can see, they're SA profile, and they're PBT double shot. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be posting a video on the RK61 as soon as it arrives, and I will be recording the stock keyboard with stock keycap, stock everything, and then I'm gonna do a video with stock everything but with keycap swapped out, and I will post a video on that as well. And then I'm doing a sound test after full modification with the lubed Gatorons, SA keycaps on a small mat right here like this one. And I'm also going to do a full inner case dampening using adhesive foam to dampen the internal sound that it has, that lots of people don't like, which sounds kind of hollow. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support, and I hope you guys leave a comment below, like and subscribe, because I will be posting more videos on this sooner than you probably think. So I will be saving up for a proper PC to do video editing, so I will be making more professional looking videos instead of having a little cheap iPhone 4S that I'm recording on. And I'll be making much more higher quality videos that you guys will be more appreciative of. So thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.